This police officer gets caught for murder. Meet Grant Harden, an experienced 50-year-old law enforcement officer harboring a chilling secret. Grant has recently been detained under suspicion of committing a heinous crime, but during the subsequent interrogation, his actions and offenses proved to be so abhorrent that he employed every possible means to evade capture. On the fateful day of February 23rd, James Appleton had chosen a parking lot on Ganridge Road to engage in a phone conversation with his brother-in-law. Unexpectedly, a jarring noise reverberated through the call, abruptly terminating their connection. A witness nearby happened to observe a white Chevrolet Malibu parked behind James's vehicle, which hastily fled the scene following the unsettling sound. Approaching to investigate, the passerby discovered James lifeless behind the wheel, succumbing to a fatal gunshot wound to the head. Gateway, Arkansas is a quaint village inhabited by a mere 400 individuals. Therefore, it didn't take long to identify the owner of the Chevrolet as Grant Harden, a 50-year-old law enforcement officer who had spent his entire life in this close-knit community. Following a pleasant family dinner, Grant's vehicle was stopped at a police roadblock later that evening, leading to his swift apprehension for questioning. Unfortunately, what unfolded during this interrogation would prove to be an incredibly grueling and challenging ordeal for both the Arkansas police and all parties involved. The interrogation commences in a casual manner, with Detective Chamberlain initiating a conversation regarding Grant's professional background. Given their shared occupation in law enforcement, the detective anticipates an immediate rapport, aiming to establish trust and encourage Grant's relaxation, thereby facilitating the extraction of pertinent information. However, this well-intentioned strategy soon backfires, leading to unexpected outcomes. Subsequently, Grant is duly informed of his rights but opts to adopt a defiant stance, determined to create obstacles for the detectives. Until now, Grant remains unaware of the purpose behind his presence and expresses a sense of unease resulting from the circumstances he's been thrust into. His body language is quite disconcerting, suggesting that he may feel exposed and somewhat inferior, experiencing the unfamiliar role of a suspect rather than that of a detective, which he's accustomed to. "I see you won't describe your day. Your reluctance. Why?" "I have the right to remain silent," comes to mind. "You're telling me you don't want to talk right now."